What is up guys, it's Influx with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing two things for your car. One of them is a universal car holder which uses magnets, and the other one is a rapid car charger which uses Qualcomm 3.0, and you can charge two devices at the same time with it. These are the things which I'm going to be unboxing today. Okay, let's first start with the car holder which uses magnets to stick to your phone. My trusty knife here. Open it. So, this is the part which sticks to your ventilation system in your car. This is the magnet right here. And these are the parts which you can stick to your phone. You can even use them on your cover if you have a cover for your phone. But I'm gonna just try it right now to show you how this thing works actually. Because I wanted to show you guys that you can actually use this without using the provided adhesive here. I'm going to be using my phone because I have a cover on it, a back cover. So let's remove that for a little bit. The magnet, like so. And I'm gonna put back right now the cover. Yeah, it's in place right now. So let's check how the magnet actually works. This is pretty much it guys, but I'm going to be showing you how it holds in the car as well. You can also rotate this part however you like, depending on the position you want to put your phone in the car, like so. The magnet just rotates like that. This is the other product which I wanted to show you guys. It's a car charger which is capable of Qualcomm 3.0 Quick Charge. And you stick it in your car. It's a car charger after all, of course you stick it there. Quite small actually. I didn't think it would be that small. No, I didn't think so. So this is it. And as I said, you got two ports here. The green one is the Quick Charge 3.0 one, and the other one is 3.1 amperes. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how you can use these two products in your car. I'm in my car right now. So basically you press this part and it opens up and you just slide it in your car vent. Like so. And now I'm going to be putting my phone to show you that it actually sticks like so. And that's pretty much it. You get a nice magnetic stand for your phone. You don't need to put it on your window or anything like that. You just put it whenever you need on the vent. And now I'm going to be showing you the car charger. You can stick it in here. Like so. And if your car is turned on, it lights up in blue as you can see here. The green port is the Quick Charge 3.01 and the other one is 3.1 amps. I guess it's good for tablets as well, as it's 3 amps. So let's try it out on my phone. So just for the sake of showing you, I'm going to plug it right now. So, and as you can see, it's charging. At the moment it's charging at a very low rate, because my battery life is actually at 100% full. But it should charge your phone if your phone is capable of quick charge with a rapid speed. As always guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed the video, and also please subscribe to my channel for more videos.